In this guide, we are going over how you can go ahead and get Silver Requiem here in Sailor Peace. Now, this is by far one of the best drops in the entire game, and it gets you one of the strongest mythical swords in the game. But before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is find one of the teleporters on the map and go specifically to the Christmas Island. This is a brand new snowy area where the boss that drops Silver Requiem is going to appear. So interact with this, find the snowy island just like so. And once you do get to the snow island, make sure your character has strong stats because this boss is extremely powerful. So run around. And the boss that you're looking for is Ragna. Now, Ragna has about 12.5 million HP, so be properly prepared. But essentially, it's going to spawn every 5 minutes. So once you defeat it, you could either just wait for the next spawn, or what you could also do is just server hop to find another active boss. But during the fight, make sure you're staying mobile and avoiding the boss's heavy area attacks. You could use your best elf fruit abilities or melee combo to just deal consistent damage here. But make sure that you do deal at least 10% of the boss's total health and damage so that you can actually go ahead and get yourself these drops in the first place. Now, obviously, this only has about a 3.5% drop rate, so you're going to have to take several attempts before you can even go ahead and get this. But to improve your chances, you could use the pity system, which requires you to defeat 24 easier bosses anywhere on the map, and then defeat the Ragna boss as your 25th kill to guarantee a rare drop. You could also increase your farming efficiency by using fortune runes, equipping luck-based accessories, or using traits to increase RNG, as well as server hopping after each boss kill. But these methods can help you farm the item faster. You could also get stuff like the WRM bands, the Black Frost, the boss tickets, and the dungeon keys, as well as rare titles or accessories. So even if you don't get the Silver Requiem immediately, you still can get some pretty decent stuff. But once you do have Silver Requiem, head back to the Snow Island, find the Ragna Sword Seller NPC located in the corner of the map, and then you're going to just need to spend 1 Silver Requiem, 1 million cash, 4,500 gems, 7 WRM bands, and 3 Black Frost. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.